shoot yung lips.
Ayan sa NLEX at Balintawak Toll Plaza. Ma'am, good morning po. Happy Valentine. Parang galing po sa NLEX.
Tayo ko yun.
Asan na si Danny? Asan na siya?
Sa bed din sila.
Ha?
May practice ko sa bed.
Ano oras din siya?
Ayan na po siya. Ayan na siya, oh. Oh, hello. Hi ka naman.
Multi-purpose ako ngayon. Host,
Hi.
videographer, editor, reporter, influencer.
Abangan niyo po kami sa NBA.
Best buddy.
Sa Valentine's Day bukas. Oo nga. Feb 14. Si Kiefer ba ayaw mo makita? Oy, nag-celebrate na kami. Ikaw. Ang tarang. Ikaw. Sulit. Dito po sa NBA All-Star, we are headed to Charlotte. 14. Si Kiefer ba ayaw mo makita? Oy, nag-celebrate na kami. Ikaw. Ang tarang. Ikaw. Sulit. Iiwan ko na to. Abangan niyo po ang aming adventure dito po sa NBA All-Star. We are headed to Charlotte. Diba? Yung close mo, medyo malapit. Atenista. Oo. Atenista, matagal pinagsamahan natin. Tapos host. Host! Nag-host ka, diba? Oo. Galing, ang galing. Perfect. Wala na yan. Sige naman nung naglag mo na.
Crucial game. Crucial game. Oh my gosh, ang galing niya! Iba!
So guys, right now we're in North Carolina, US for the NBA All-Star Weekend with the #1 volleyball phenom from the Philippines.
That changed.
Right. Nice, I'm nice. When Gretchen, 21 years old, #2 volleyball phenom. Kemal's best.
Valentine's. Chocolate lang mabibigay ko sa'yo, Gretcha. Next time na yung boys.
Ang tamis ng buhay ko.
Wow.
After morning of photo shoots and video shoots, we're going touring around Charlotte.
Charlotte.
How do you say it?
Charlotte.
In Tagalog.
Salad.
Bro, lagyan mo na hearts yung bobo. Nakalagay yan. Okay. Okay na yan. Okay na. Yun na. My barber. Ano naman ang... You're my barber.
Oh my God. It's the Phenom.
Ikaw, Manong. Masaya ka ba kami maka-Valentine's mo? Same! Malapit ka na. Post-Valentine ka.
Anong nangyari sa'yo today?
Oh my God.
Anong nangyari sa'yo today?
Just retweeted my tweet about him. I cannot. Oh my God. Look at that.
So right now we're going to Hilton, and then we're going to Crown Plaza.
See you guys soon, Monch and Manong. Say bye to my followers.
Bye, followers.
And oh my God, magpo-Portos kayo mamaya. I hate you guys.
Ano?
Portos. That bread, that good bread. Sila Moncho, sila Manong. Save some for me. Hi guys! Bye. Hi Kiefer Ravena. Nepa si Matt. Hey! We're in here inside Spectrum. Guys, what? Hi, dito hi to the Philippines. Hi, Philippines. Team USA o Team World? Like, so hard. Team USA, Team World, Team Keeper. Team Keeper. So, hintay ko na lang sa
Chris, wala ba kaming discount? Dinner.
Good. We're here.
Display their hospitality. Very gracious, and I'm just very honored to be part of it this weekend. So I'll mention that she was the All-Star game.
Ginamit niya daw yung bagong driver.
Dito. Yung pro namin, nagsisintas pa eh. Dito. Los Serranos, LA.
Nakabahan ka?
Yes.
Bakit?
Ayoko na mga ganitong bagay.
The Phenom! The Phenom!
Ready?
No, may takot pala to.
The sun is out today. No. Vegas, baby.
She's the best. My God, whoever ends up with this girl is a lucky person.
Yeah.
Oh.
And whoever gets to end up with Gretchen is good luck. That's all I can do.
Idol yata to ah. Is this the Phenom? Playing golf in Vegas? Mag-hi ka naman dito, Keith. Yep, our 17th hole. It's fucking cold. We're stupid to play. Look at this. We got Keith. Bears best. Let's go, brother.
Oh. Marshalls.
Ta-da! She made it! She made it!
Ready for hours.
It's snowing. Snow, snow, snow. Saan tayo kain? Ha? Bakit?
Kuya Vice working here.
Ooh. Ubus, pati pantubos.
Binibidyo ka? Hindi ako yan.
Ubus? Ang dami nung